what you see is AI in the media. AI is disrupting industries, businesses, and turning every employee into a hyper-productive superhuman. On the right is what the reality looks like for most corporate leaders. Bad data, legacy systems, and manual processes hampering AI adoption. Quickly about myself before diving in. I have been working in the AI and analytics space for the past 8 years or so. I'm currently a senior investment director at Scale AI, Canada's AI innovation cluster. Every company should have an AI strategy, but it's not rocket science if you follow the elements that we talked about: vision, roadmap, and enablers. And lastly, although AI projects are inherently more risky than traditional projects, the best practices and success factors can really mitigate execution risk.